Hello everybody, this is Sage, also known as One Who Crops. And today I have a 32 page, 21 interaction paper sack junk journal, mini junk journal to show you. It's bound with pink ribbon. The papers in it is from the Romantic Girl Journal Kit and from Paper Wishes scrapbooking papers, by some random ones, plus coffee dyed paper and pink Hammermill paper. And I'm a little off there. Okay. So it starts out, it's sewed. I sewed the paper sack for extra strength. And it has a vintage card. Journaling card with a vintage picture. Replica. All my pictures and everything are on photo mat paper. It's got a quote here. This is for the romantic person. Hopeless romantic like me. Has a cute little, this book was handmade for you, and it has a little saying and everything. And then you have playing card, imitation playing card. Actually, I made it. It just looks like a playing card. Some pretty ribbon from Really Reasonable Ribbon. This is a vintage book page. Belly band. It's Tim Holtz. Journaling card. I think my sleeve's in the way too, sorry. Let me scoot up a little bit. It's really fast flip through. Some coffee dyed trim. I think that's just a regular pocket is all it is. Pretty sure that's all it is. I made it just before I got sick, so I don't quite remember everything. There we go. And the pages are themed in color. More dictionary page that's vintage. They're lined usually. I'll put this down and take this off. Ticket. Belly band with another ticket. Very pretty paper that I use, collection. Beautiful trim here. This is actually, I traded with the lady that sells vintage lace, but I'm not sure if this is vintage or not. It looks it though. The pocket. This is my favorite ribbon. Saying another little card. There's plenty of journaling space in this booklet too. This is flip out. is the tag made with a stamp. Let's go down. This is a flip. I haven't been watching. I hope I'm not too crooked. And then this comes out like the other. And then I have them showing the lace, and then here's some more pretty lace with pink ribbon, and that's the back. And whoops, I knocked that crooked when I did that. There. And this is going to be in my Etsy store. The link will be down below. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good evening.